Una dey welcome for football and Pidgin. After match talk am how you see am. Brighton 4 and Chelsea 1, and we get Timmy wey be like saying ogbonge football fan, ogbonge Manchester United fan. This result sweet you, Timmy, as a Manchester United fan, based on the Chelsea na your opponent normally, and you dey sweet you for your belle say they don't break their screen guard woto today. Now, how you see the performance from Brighton and the performance from Chelsea?
Uh, First of all, yes, I go say it sweet me. You know the see where hey, my belle be like sugar cane like this, sugar cane factory. Dey sweet me. Oh, I dey pray sis for their downfall. It don't happen today, and I'm very very happy. From Brighton point of view, I go say because say the players don't understand the coach tactics, so they don't know how to play against them. And I see say Chelsea coach, can't change your tactics. Given the fact say you don't dey somewhere say you go know say these people don't understand this thing. Some kind times you need to tweak am. That's what good managers do. Like the Guardiola, sometimes they go just do one or kind two push am. You know where they push am, play you just push. Here they go push the seed. You just scatter the person. Back. The person no go know when you just pick like 5 seed comot. Yes, just scatter once. Na small tweaking you go do inside, but e just come with the normal formation. Na Brighton they don already know say Alpha na so you wan play am. Okay, na so we go take go am. If not, Chelsea Brighton they did well. I'm very happy with the result.
So you say normally the result sweet you, they happy. But you as an opposition fan now, you think say Chelsea look Brighton less come play this match, the way that they start the match?
No, sure. People they find 3 points, say na less. I understand 3 points for Premier League na big thing. Even 1 point sef for Premier League na big thing because the days are the carry league. Goal difference sef na big thing. So,
Wetin I mean be so that Chelsea underrates Brighton for this match?
No. Brighton dey be strong side on the norms normally. Watch their game. If Brighton dey play any team sef, if you even dey win themselves, their style of football no dey change. They like possession game. Observe am. Even against Man City, they play their possession game well. They knock you back. They play am well. Pion. You don't know when it dey happen. At the magic, they just do the magic. The apele, they just touch the seed. Get some kind of seed where they touch, and they give Chelsea check up.
So many football fans they talk say this season go hard well because for this season we don't see team like Nottingham Forest beat Liverpool. Today sef Bournemouth they still battle with Tottenham. Today we see wetin Brighton do Chelsea. But how you dey see the way this season dey? You think say this season some kind team, some people they look with corner eye, they will still shock some big teams for this season?
Na Premier League na make am be the best league for the whole world. Premier League na you go see say relegation team go come today. They go win one kind big team. The big team go jam them next day, go give them 7-0, go come humble them. They go come go relegation, come back again. They go come fight, come play. Premier League na the most toughest league, na number 1 for the whole world. It's not just by saying a name or something. Na by wetin people don see. Say yes, the doings dey well, and make people say yes. Even you feel surprised say that Nottingham when Liverpool go catch them again, na 8 they fit give them. You dey look Liverpool now, the injuries you go observe say yes, even Jurgen Klopp dey try. The injuries many, your star players many, Melo, all of them, they just dey get injury. But one thing I know say if Liverpool really say yes, Egbegba, that their 1-0, they fit dey collect am, yes, they fit dey top 6. That one na sure. Liverpool dey top 6. Even Chelsea sef, they know as a my fan, I no go dey pray make they dey top 4, but they are still top 4 contenders. They no dey rule them out. All those small teams, they know where they dey. Na just initial gra. You know say you no go wan feel say make you dey like underdog. You wan show yourself. All the strength wey they want, now they want use so. When they don't use all their strength, the big team will come to them say yes, me I be normal big team. I call oppress you that time. That's what you do.
Talking about doings now, tomorrow Manchester United will be your football club. They go play West Ham. What do you predict for that match as a Manchester United fan?
If Ronaldo start, he no go score na draw. But if Ronaldo no start, we go win the game 1-0. Yes, we close the game like that. Our 3 points, we don't carry and go. But if Ronaldo starts, it go hard for us to score because everybody, Man United, if Ronaldo dey game, I don't notice say Anthony, everybody, the ball sef. If Ronaldo no ever dey the ball team, they go cross and put for them. Person not dey there, the ball just dey way. So we need person be like say go fit dey hold the ball for the middle. Na make I still want make Anthony Martial come till tomorrow. We need person striker be like say go dey hold the ball where we dey play the from the midfield go dey pass through the striker, no be through wing. If you dey pass through wing, e dey hard. But if your striker na him dey deliver ball, dey give your wingers. Just notice as na game na Martial give the assist to Anthony. Just pass am, simple pass. Your striker go hold the ball, do some kind things, go give your winger go score. But if you dey pass through wing, e dey hard because you go before you go even dribble the defender, cut in. Many people go not even gather you sef. For you to play short sef, because dey tire you. So I just dey pray say Mo win tomorrow. We dey hope. Say 1-0 if the highest 1-0 we carry our win we go. Na anybody wey dey find 10-0 na him know. Na the 3 point na matter to us like this.
All right, I no be lie. Thank you for your time, Timmy.